Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these window fly traps. These fly traps catch flies, gnats, moths, and any other flying insects. Alright, so right here we got our window fly traps. These ones here are on offer 2 different sizes. You can do 24 traps or 60 traps. I went with the 60 extra large, so it catches flies, gnats, moths, and any other thing that flies. These are super easy to apply. These fly traps and many other flying insects, this is why they gather around the windows. So with these ones, they will stick to the board. These are non-toxic. These are insecticide free, made with industrial grade super sticky adhesive. It is 100% non-toxic and it is odorless. The traps are safe for usage throughout your home. These are easy, effective, and long lasting. You can see that these are really good size. These are 5" by 8.5" size. They ensure a high capture rate. So all you got to do is remove this little red piece right here on this side. This is a side that you will stick to your window, so you'll just pull that off and then you'll take it and turn it around and place it on your window. So make sure you get it to where you want it and then push it down, and then I just go along the seam so it makes sure that it stays there. So I just hold that in place and then I just go right where the glue line is, and then once you do that you'll grab on the corner at the top. So when you grab the corner on the top, you'll just pull down so it'll give access to the sticky pad in the front. So that is where it'll catch all the flies. So this is a brand new one. What I'm going to do is go back and the other one that I put up yesterday, so you can see that's a very thick tape. So now I'm going to go and show you the one that I did already put up. I put up here on the front, on the top. It is a really nice sticky catch, so it does catch a lot of stuff. So you can see right here it does catch. This one here I just put it up not even an hour ago, and you can see there's a few flies in there, some gnats, some mosquitoes up in there. So when you want to remove it, you just grab it from the bottom and lift it up and pull it out. These are super easy to install. I like the fact that you do get 60 in this pack. They do offer it in 24 if you don't want too many. So this does catch a lot of stuff. If you're looking for a sticky pad for anything that flies and bugs you without having them things stick to your hair, I would highly recommend checking out these fly traps.